Greece just kidnapped a oil tanker from Iran, and then they handed it over to the Americans, and the Americans just siphoned out all the oil in the ship. So you can see how in trouble we are in America, that we're basically hijacking other countries' oil. Guess what happened next? Okay, what happened next was that Iran hijacked and took 2 Greece oil tankers. So they said, look, Greece, you took ours, we're going to take yours. So basically an eye for an eye. And why I'm doing this video is because if something pops off in the Middle East with Iran, guys, expect your oil prices jump up at least $19 to $25 at the minimum. Because, well, what a lot of people don't realize is that in the Iran Persian Gulf, so much of the world oil travels through those little I don't know what the word is, like canoe or, little liver, whatever it's called, right? This little part that dumps into the ocean. Well, Iran controls that area. So if anything ever pops up, they're going to contract that area and not allow any of the OPEC oil ships to leave, which is going to mean that gas prices are going to rocket like you've never seen before. Talking about the 1970s, 80s, that's nothing. I mean, it's going to go off the roof, ladies and gentlemen, because now there's going to be a shortage of gas like you've never seen it, because Iran's not going to let OPEC gas and oil go through the Hamas port. I forgot the name of the port, so excuse me, guys. I am freestyling and I'm driving, okay? So that said, wow, man, things are getting pretty crazy. If things pop off with Iran, expect to not go to the pump, gas station, and not have any gas there, ladies and gentlemen. And if you do find it, you can expect to pay $19 plus per gallon if you can find it. But I doubt that you will be able to find it, okay? Because it's going to get that crazy. So crazy things are happening. So hopefully you're prepping. I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. Leave it below. Thank you for clicking the like button. Always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy.